You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we are with Devin the Dakta again with Hatchling. With Hatchling. Is it me or let me see something. Is it me or the thumbnail I get smaller and smaller? Like the rat slash croc slash whatever this fucking thing is, I get smaller and smaller. Is it me? I don't know. But anyway, we can jump in the one and see what Devin the Dakta did it. Also, guys, a link to my second reaction channel is going to be in the comment section. Please, drop a follow for me, please. Let's go.
Zaim?
Yeah?
Look on the picture here and tell me what is that.
Baby church mouse.
Okay. Where?
Oh, so a baby church mouse, we gonna know.
Look on the picture here and tell me what is that.
Baby church mouse.
Okay. Where you call baby church mouse?
Hatchling.
Hatchling?
Yep.
Where you say the hatchling?
Move Hatchling.
No. Don't run the animal. Make me teach how we deal with pit never go on like them brave and bold.
Hold on.
Yo, little Shane, calm down. I'm just here to assess your state. The symptoms that I show, I won't exaggerate your tone.
At this point, Devin the Dakta is trolling. At this point, Devin, you are fucking trolling, my friend. Me like it. Me blood clot like it.
Zaim?
Yeah?
I mean, Shane's gonna get some.
What is that?
Baby church mouse.
Okay. Where you call baby church
Shane's
mouse?
skull.
Hatchling.
Hatchling?
Yeah, Hatchling.
Where you say the hatchling?
Move Hatchling.
No. Don't run the animal. Make me teach how we deal with pit
Move
never
on
go
there.
on like them brave and bold.
All right.
Yo, little Shane, calm down. I'm just here to assess your state. The symptoms that I show, I won't exaggerate. Your tone is erratic and your eyes are dilate. That's a classic behavior when anger inflates. Your
Man say calm down, nobody bust a blood vessel. Your pupil them get smart. What go on, Shane? Him say what go on?
Shane, calm down. I'm just here to assess your state. The symptoms that I show, I won't exaggerate. Your tone is erratic and your eyes are dilate. That's a classic behavior when anger inflates. You're lashing out loud, but your soul sound bruised. A fragile response to a part you didn't choose. You're mimicking aggression.
A fragile response to a part you didn't choose. So man says, somebody set you up to it. What go on?
But your soul sound bruised. A fragile response to a part you didn't choose. You're mimicking aggression, so confused and used. Abandon that birth, now me know you're born to lose.
Abandon that birth. No, me know you're born for lose. Shane, what the blood clot?
You're mimicking aggression, so confused and used. Abandon that birth, now me know you're born for lose. Call Huggins where you're from and people give me the news. That Mr. McDonald, Mr. Ferran, two dudes. Adopt you as a child while your mommy running loose. You were raised as a fish and you've never been to school. So you're
Devin the Dakta. Respect for the repost last time by your gram. If anybody watches from Devin the Dakta Instagram, please drop a follow pan the name where you see Jamaica Worst Gamer. Please drop a follow pan that.
Call Huggins where you're from and people give me the news. That Mr. McDonald, Mr. Ferran, two dudes. Adopt you as a child while your mommy running loose. You were raised as a fish and you've never been to school. So you're just a little hatchling behaving like a man. Grew up in a home where Mr. Ferran is your mom. At 20.
Grow up in a home and Mr. Ferran is your Mr. Ferran is Massacre, right? That's Massacre's name, right?
Little hatchling behaving like a man. Grew up in a home where Mr. Ferran is your mom. At 2025, I guess people will understand. But I am Jamaican and them they fuck with it. Wrong. Might as well me rest a matic on your head and go supply. But you're just a little child, take the belt in your hand. Go on home, lock up in your room. Yes, you want. Close the buckle around the neck and tight on the ceiling fan. No, wait, before you go cancel that point. Be useful for at least once in your life, right?
Yo, let me just say this, bro. Anybody be able to go up against Devin the Dakta on an Africa forward or correct, bro? Because Devin the Dakta is intelligent. He will troll the fuck out of you, bro. Like, he will make you look stupid, bro. He would literally lyrically make you look dumb, bro. The man never kill up himself. Like, basically the man offer you advice and counseling at the same time. And schooling you and beating you. Because you're a hatchling.
A suicide note to your favorite dad. Your kid. Be useful for at least once in your life. Write a suicide note to your favorite dad.
Suicide note. Looking at me like when mind up. I must say, you write a suicide note. You must say, yo, write a suicide note to your dad, which is massacre.
Be useful for at least once in your life. Write a suicide note to your favorite dad. Your careless mom send you for dead in bravery a sham. Oh, them a send a coulda. This little fool, them a send. Hey, can this move your big pussy out the way? Me shoot one of them only bad with cool back of them. Yeah.
Candice, him say move your big pussy out of the way, make him shoot one of them. Did 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 drop a song for them in Dakta?
Why is it kill this easily quick? Yeah, my bed is sick, my feel it when it kick.
Mama look.
What is this?
Mama look.
Dead crocodile, me leak this shit bit. Feed them bullets like supplements, me kill them one a day. Man, I pro from me a teen, all when I turn them gonna wear. Copper modify them body, GMO me gonna spray. Autolysis him swell up, then decay turn in a clear. Should you make your daddy boots and your little bait him a run him too free. Now say you can't this if you brave, but rifle there you fi pull your screw face. Walk your rifle and the munga me and a rebel. Left him body on the ground looking intolerable. Touch the one in the clip, jelly a jam when it a kick. Them not evil barely but deep put the pan a level. Look how Shelly skin smooth like when fabric rich. But the Saddamite sit down I imagine piss. Fish.
Did 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 reply though? I say anything, now look. I don't see nothing from 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 on YouTube. Wait this. If he did, can somebody tell me what him say? I send me the link.
But the Saddamite sit down, I imagine piss. Fish. Shane McDonald, you are your daddy's bitch. You take your sister virginity, what the fuck is this? Don't go in.
Shane McDonald, what the fuck is this? You take your sister's virginity, what the fuck is this? How I gonna wear crooks them?
Shane McDonald, you are your daddy's bitch. You take your sister virginity, what the fuck is this? Don't go in no more blood clots today, you fucking incest perpetrator. Take your sister innocence, then come and go on like you're a bad man. Yo, just loop the chorus down, call it a day, yo. Them a send a coulda. This little fool, them a send. Hey, can this move your big pussy out the way? Me shoot one of them only bad with cool back of them. Why is it kill this easily quick? Yeah, my bed is sick, me feel it when it kick. I'll never. What is this? Be a dead crocodile, me leak this shit bit. Them a send a coulda. This little fool, them a send. Hey, can this move your big pussy out the way? Me shoot one of them only bad with cool back of them. Why is it kill this easily quick? Yeah, my bed is sick, me feel it when it kick. I'll never. What is this? Be a dead crocodile, me leak this shit bit.
Bombo clap. Yo, let me tell you this, man. If when I go send out 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿, make sure say him a knock it and a clap it. If him not do that, it don't make no sense. Better not send somebody bother. Me I tell you now. It better not send somebody bother, cause Devin the Dakta na ramp, bro. Devin the Dakta serious, bro. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 drop a song. See it ya? Brave and bold. Rascal, I have to react to that. Like this.
One and one alone. One wild, one swap. On mission, tilt up blackness and with a gun audition. You get belt and a ball like Chris and.
Alright. I'm not gonna listen to that right now. Let me done with this. One thing other one yeah, from Devin the Dakta. This place fucking. Yo, Devin the Dakta different, bro. Yo, comment section. Let me know what you think about that one there. And I'll catch you guys down there. Please remember to click the link down in the comment section and follow me on the next reaction channel. Alright? Catch you guys over there. Peace.
Yeah, Rust gave a review your face the dog. If face you fuck.